We'll start with the mustard R73 size 10. This is the Magic Glass Pheasant Tail. We've got sheer 40-knot brown. So we'll just attach our tying thread here. We'll go back to about there. Take a little bunch of pheasant tail. I'll just tack this in with a couple of turns to see if it's the right length. A bit too long. That'll do us. It's a very quick and effective nymph. So we just go up to about halfway mark. You can trim that off. And we want to just build a little taper on the body, not too much. And we need a length of Magic Glass. This is light olive. We tie this in. A little bit further up, just there, and stretch it as we go back, and then secure it very tightly at the base of the tail, and we can go back up, slacken off as we go back up to keep that taper on the body, and then we can tighten up again there. That's excellent. So then we can start here and again stretch it with the first few turns and slacken off the stretch as we wrap up the body. That'll do us there, and I can just wind back into that. And we'll tie that off just there. Once you've secured it there, just secure it properly in front with a few wraps. Stretch, cut. Get a surprisingly large amount of nymphs out of one of these small packets of the Magic Glass. We go to there. And what we want is a good bunch of pheasant tail. Just go forward to about there. I want to tie this in a few millimeters behind the hook eye, and we go back over the thorax, all the way into the beginning of the Magic Glass abdomen. This will be our wing case. I've got two quite dense peacock herl, which we'll tie in here. Now you can put lead on here if you wish, but I find this is quite sufficient to fish quite deep. The Magic Glass cuts through the surface, and then what we want to do is we just want to wrap a nice dense thorax that'll do us nicely. I'll secure that with a couple of turns behind. I'll fold that over, got a few in front, remove that. Then what we want to do is we want to split our pheasant tail, so I'm about half and half. So I want to go a little bit further forward with that. that'll do us. And I push this back. Start at the hook eye and we just work our way slowly back. That's good. We take our wing case. I want to get all these fibres parallel, so I'll just use a comb to pull those through. And then we'll just gather those up. And of course, the good thing about this is that you can change the colour of the body with the colour of both the magic glass you use and the thread. So you have a lot of opportunities here, and it makes very good attractor nymphs. So you can cut that off short and leave a head. Cut it off a little bit longer, sorry, and leave a head if you wish. But I'll trim it at an angle and we'll tie that down. I also do this with using red tying thread, and it makes a very nice hot spot on the head. We start at the hook eye and we work our way back. Like so. Go with finisher. Put a couple of those in there. Remove the tying thread. Position our legs. And we'll give it a coat of varnish. And there we are, there's the finished magic glass pheasant tail. A good all round nymph, quick to tie, and you can do it in different sizes and colours. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.